What would you do if a little kid's mom accused you of kidnapping her son? Because that's what happened to me. So I was at the store just buying groceries, and a little kid comes up to me and says, "Hey, I watch your videos." So I was like, "Thanks, buddy, I appreciate that." But he was no older than like 7, and I looked around, but I didn't see any parents, so I asked him where they were. But right as I did that, his mom comes flying around the corner and says, "Elliot, get back here. Do you not remember what I said about strangers? They'll kidnap you." And at first I was like, facts, your mom is right. You gotta be careful. But then I thought about it and I was like, wait, is she implying that I would be the one doing the kidnapping? Do I just look like someone that would do that? Because she was staring at me as if I was Diddy. I didn't even initiate the conversation with the kid, but the mom still cooked me. From now on, I'm running away if you guys see me in public.